Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Bubba's Smoking Hog Barbecue. This is Bubba speaking. Thank you for tuning in for this week's video. What we're going to be doing, as you can see here, I'm doing some yard bird, some whole chickens. What will be put on the smoker this evening. Okay, so I got two roughly about 5-pound birds here. What I'm going to be doing first is going to be using some canola non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to be spraying down these chickens just so it can get a good color, also for something for the rub to easily stick to on the chickens. So put a good little spray here on each chicken. Get a little bit on the bottom here, as you can see. Right. So for my rubs today, what I'm going to be going with first is just a little homemade rub I made myself, Bubba's AP rub. A lot of this is salt, garlic, and peppers, so a lot of SPG going on here, and some other spices for my all-purpose rub. We'll also be going on for just some added color, the Plowboys BBQ Yardbird Rub as well. The extra paprika, give a good nice color to these birds. So my season, pretty good amount here, the all-purpose rub on top. Try to get in the crevices here, all the nooks and crannies. Get down here as well too in the cavity of the bird. Flip them over, get some on the back as well. Flip this one over. I'll be cooking the chicken today on my Weber Smokey Mountain. We'll be using some just Kingsford Blue. So I'm gonna dump that into my chimney here. Pulling up about a full chimney. Still got some charcoal left over from the cook last weekend. We'll be using another wax cube to get the coals started. Hey y'all, our smoker over here has come up to temp. So as you can see here, it'll be rolling today around 275. I have put on 2 chunks of pecan wood and then 1 chunk of apple wood. All right, I'll be placing 1 bird on the bottom grate and then another one on the top grate of the Weber Smokey Mountain. And I'll be using my ThermoPro meat probes. I've got them set to 170 degrees for the breast of the chicken. Hey y'all, we got us a slight rain here. Want to come check on these chickens. So Weber Smokey Mountain still going good, around 275. These birds are looking good. Skin's starting to crack a little bit. We're currently reading 147 on the top chicken, 129 on the bottom one with the probe in the breast. Alright y'all, gotta look at this chicken here. It is done. It is done. We're gonna pull these birds off and get them inside. Just
With the temp, 165. They're good to go in the breast. 170 in the thighs.